congratulations. We should keep on saying congratulations. Thank you for coming. Thank you for studying. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, our university sound man, give us that music, please. Thank you.
Professor, you are my other parent. Please come and stand together and take this form. Greatly honored to extend a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. As I began thinking about what I should say to you, I discovered that I could go on for hours talking about our years at Kintu, about the experiences we have had which prepared us for this day and for the future. I began making notes about all the advice I should share with everyone and about all of the many topics I wanted to cover. Then a friend reminded me about the fate of the famous Greek philosopher Socrates, who lived a long time ago. Socrates was very intelligent, but Socrates gave long speeches, and his friends killed him. Since I'm not Socrates, nor do I want to end up like Socrates, I'll brief and to the point. I'll be brief and to the point. First, allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to thank the entire staff of Kayiwa International University for the cooperation that has been in place between them and us for the whole period we have been their students. It's because of the cooperation that we are the achievers today, and we are celebrating this joint success together. Let this kind of collaboration and professionalism continue so that the continuing students and other intakes to come should enjoy the same fruits as we have eaten ourselves. To Kayiwa International University Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and the entire staff, we want to assure you that we will never let you down. We are going to put into practice all the things you have imparted to us. Apart from training us in our respective professions, we have been taught many leadership skills which will help us a lot in cooperating and associating with the communities we are going to find out there. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of my fellow graduating team, I want to let you know that over the period of study we have been here, we have really covered and learned a lot concerning studies and life skills a learned person needs to have. Our time here has been no walk in the park. We have faced many challenges and obstacles which we have had to overcome. I cannot begin to imagine the number of family members. I cannot begin to imagine the number of family members here grateful that their loved ones no longer have deadlines. Things may not always go as planned, but I'm sure we can all agree that this class has been resilient. We survived the COVID-19 pandemic. The fact that we have made it here to receive our awards is just a testament to our perseverance and commitment to excellence. Graduates, you are all destined for greatness. Each and every one of us has a potential to change the world. We have all grown into powerful, intellectual individuals who will make a massive footprint on this earth. Tables turn, bridges burn, and often it's the journey which teaches you about your destination. To my fellow graduates, we are no longer the leaders of tomorrow, but of today. As such, we need to know that we are not only physically mature, but also intellectually. This therefore calls for our maturity behavior. To be mature means accepting responsibilities. Let us go to the world and be exemplary, active, creative, honest, and eager to learn more from others, especially experienced professionals, for they have a lot to share with us. To be a good leader begins with being a good learner. So let us always open a room for other people's knowledge and skills to come in. Last but not least, I would like to quote what a certain renowned scholar once said. He said, and I quote, "Work with successful people to succeed. For if you work with failures, you will fail too." End of quote. Let us go out and just put into practice all the beneficial things we have learned here. More importantly, we should go out with open minds for new and supplementary skills and knowledge for our continuous professional development. Learning new things depends on self-willingness. You cannot discover new oceans unless you dare to lose sight of the shore. We need to be reminded that education is progressive discovery of our own ignorance. While the idea of material success does influence our lives heavily, I ask that you follow dreams and do what makes you happy. Strive to be the best version of yourself. Be phenomenal or be forgotten. Graduation marks the end of yet another extraordinary chapter in our lives. With this chapter closed, I'm sure that many of us are already anxious about starting the next one, because unlike the textbooks, we cannot skip through the pages of life to see how long the next chapter is going to be. Once again, let me congratulate all of my fellow students, my fellow friends, who will shape.
This award is to Pastor Pokamia for being a soldier of the cross. Apostle John Molinde for keeping the Christian.
Achikoze nera siwe mugamba achikoze nera mukama so namwe bali ku celebrating irako kama abawo mukisa emyaka jange gitambuddeko ndowooza mukama akinkoledde ate abakyalina ku myaka muddemu amaanyi mufune bye mwali mulowooza nti musobola kubifuna. Era nze bulijjo mbagamba nti wootegeerera nti naye kino taata teyakintuusaako nakino taata teyakintuusaako, kitegeeza amagezi gazze lwano kyetuuseeko ate olwano kituuse neekubanamu tewaliwo kirala kyekimukwagamba.
in 2015, and we have never been informed or sat in any meeting of any sort concerning such a thing. And we also wrote a letter, according to the law, to inform them that we are holding a graduation ceremony. Everything that we'll be doing it together. So I don't want to talk about things which are, according to me, suspect.
Professor,